Hey guys, how you doing? Alright, guess what? Today's very nice day. It's almost summer, right? Almost summer. And it's hot. Today, the weather is gonna be about like 88 degrees. So, guess what? It's time for barbecue. Alright? It's time for barbecue, guys. But don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. Alright, let's go. Today, guys, I have this nice and neat. That's what I need to prepare this dish. I'm gonna make barbecue ribs. Alright, barbecue ribs, guys. Don't be scared. Alright, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, I have here 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I have here 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, and I have 2 tablespoons of onion to give that flavor, guys. Alright, I have here 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. Alright, Old Bay. I have here half cup of steak sauce, 1 cup of teriyaki sauce. Alright, guys, I have here 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. I have here 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, and also I have here a half cup of olive oil. Alright, guys, I have here a half cup of white wine. I have here a half bunch of cilantro, and I have here 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, and also I have here parsley. Yes, parsley, guys. Parsley I use just for the top, for the decoration. Alright, the end of the video. So, and here I have 3.5 pounds of pork ribs. Alright, guys, looks very fresh, looks very good. Alright, that looking good, guys. Alright, let's start this. Alright, let's start to mix this over here, this dish. Okay, first I'm gonna start with the teriyaki sauce. Alright, very good. This is my steak sauce. Alright, my steak sauce. Very good, guys. It's looking good. It smells so good. Alright, and it's gonna be delicious. Alright, okay, here we go. Alright, my next step, I'm gonna go with balsamic vinegar. Alright, garlic powder. See, guys, the flavor and the colors come together. Alright, the flavor, the color, guys. Alright, let's go. I have here onion powder. Onion powder, guys, is gonna bring the flavor together. Alright, so here I have the Old Bay. Alright, Old Bay, very good. I have here the black pepper. Alright, paprika, very good. Oregano, looking good. Salt. Alright, so now the olive oil. It's looking good. White wine. Alright, flavors gonna come together, guys. I have here the Worcestershire. Very good. And I have here cilantro. Alright, very good. So it's good, looking good. Alright, and this is parsley, and this is for the top, the decoration. So now I'm going to mix it up. Looking, guys, look at that. It's looking good. It's looking good. It smells good. And alright, now I'm gonna pour here. Please, guys, I'm gonna marinate this for 1 hour. Alright, so right, very good. looking good. Right. Okay guys, make sure all the sauce goes to each piece, right? And don't forget to flip, like in half an hour. You guys can flip this. I'm gonna flip this and wait for another half an hour, and see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, alright, has been 1 hour. Alright, so let's check. Woo! Looks good guys, but don't be afraid, guys. Alright, let's go check this. Alright, good. You guys can marinate it overnight also, if you guys want, right? But I'm doing it for 1 hour. Whoa, that's looking good. And it smells good guys, if you take a look here, looking good. Alright. Very good. Let's go. Let's go to cook this baby. Follow me. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, my barbecue is preheated already, alright? So let's cook. Looking good. Hi guys. That's looking good. Looking good. The smell come up waterway guys. Right. And don't forget to paste, right? A lot of sauce here, so I'm gonna paste both sides, right? See you in a little bit. Hey guys, alright, it's cooking. It's cooking. It's looking good. Looking good guys. So what I'm gonna do here, so you guys can see, I have been pour sauce all over the place all the time, right? So you can see it's not much there anymore, right? So you have to do that both sides, all right? Both sides. All right, time to flip, right? Alright. Looking good. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, it's almost ready. Alright, you guys can see it. Look how beautiful it looks. It's almost ready. Looking good, smell good, and it's gonna taste good. Alright, very good. So it's gonna cook for like 5 more minutes. Alright, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, very good. Alright, hey guys, give me started. Alright, there you go. It's looking good. Right? It's looking good. And tastes good. Right? But don't be afraid. Alright guys, let's try this. Alright. Wow. That tastes good. But you know, that's what I call guys BBQ ribs. Alright? Hold on a second. One more bite. The meat is soft and the taste goes all over my mouth. Delicious. Delicious guys. Hey guys, You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.